probably shouldn't be eating that donut.
Why?
Do you really want me to say it? I'd be trading it out for some carrots if I were you.
You're saying I'm fat.
I'm saying I don't think you want people thinking the H stands for hefty. There he is.
Hefty. I'll show you.
This is unrelated to the donut thing. I think I swallowed a fly.
I have to do everything.
That'll teach you to mess with Big H and Health Girl, tiny criminal.
I've seen Big H on TV. You're not him. You look like my dad.
It's because I washed this bloody suit.
What about now?
I've put on a few kilos.
You've put on a few kilos.